Hey guys, I wanted to show you guys this. Sony's got a little secret. I hope my tablet stays steady. A lot of the PlayStations that go in for repair simply need to be cleaned out. Mine could use a little bit of dusting, as you could see. But this is a feature that not many people know about. The PlayStation has a self-cleaning feature. Some of you may know about this, some of you may not. I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, turn your system on and eject any disk that you have. Disk is out. Good. Turn the unit off. Wait for it. Okay. Now, unplug your unit. Now, push and hold push and hold your eject button. Hold it for about 10 seconds. Okay, now if I can get this plugged back in. When I plug this in, you're going to hear the fan rev up to maximum RPM. This is going to blow all the dust and stuff out of the back, and it cleans the CD-ROM drive, and the fans never run this fast. This is the only way to do it, and this is what a lot of the techs do when you send your PlayStation in for repair. And in a lot of cases, when it won't read a disk, this will fix it. So with the eject button being held down, I'm going to plug it in, and when it comes on, the fan is going to run at very high RPM. Let it finish its cycle. Plugging it in now. It should fire up. Let it run. When it's done, the fan will go back to normal speed. It's blowing all of that junk out of there. Now, you have to do this. After you have cleaned it, unplug your machine. Wait for 10 seconds. Plug it back in. And your machine is now cleaned out inside and should work a lot better. Hope you all enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.